Hello, my friends. It's raining today, so can't do much outside. It's gonna be an all-day rain. So I was switching out stuff in my backpack from cold weather to warmer weather, and the Ranger band to my cook set snapped. So I'm going to try an experiment today. We'll see how it goes. I give up. I really did. This little machine is not strong enough to penetrate this material. This is a Ranger band made out of a inner tube. And each time I'm trying this, I'm having to force it through because it is just grabbing onto the teeth here. I'm calling this a fail. This is just cutting it. And each time I do it, I have to trim a little bit more, and it's just weakening it more and more. Okay. I'm not willing to accept a fail. So I put a brand new needle on this. Going to try again. I broke it. Yeah, I'm gonna accept that as a fail. That's a brand new needle. So, whatever. Okay. Can't see, didn't try.